In fifth place is the Ufesa TotalChef RK6, a balanced option for a family that wants guided recipes without moving into the premium range. Its 7-inch Wi-Fi screen contains more than 200 recipes, and the machine combines 30 functions with 15 automatic programs. The bowl holds 3.5 liters, and it includes a scale, reverse rotation, and a 2-level steamer. In real use, reverse rotation matters because it helps keep rice or a stew intact, instead of merely adding another line to the specification. The strengths are its simple interface and coverage of the usual family tasks. The weaknesses are the 120-degree limit and a much smaller recipe library than the winner. It takes fifth place because it is sensible and easy to understand, but offers less browning headroom and less recipe depth than the next four.